The issue of gossiping now, it creates waves, after kupihwa mota say wiki Chivhayo, waves started, so something like that didn't go away with him, that in some ways that didn't go away with me.
Makadi muri Zimbabwe kufara kusangana nemi pano pachibanda media zita rangu ndichiitwa Asokostina kana kuti Pelagia Pampurwa. I think you can see from my face I am smiling nekuti nhasi ndine nyaya inonakidza ndoziva kuti vamwe munogona kuti Sokostina vanogona kuuya nenyaya inosvisa asi aiwa nhasi ka sit and relax because ndine nyaya inonakidza ndikuya nayo pano nhasi muchirongwa chedu. I've got none other than Vatongai Moyo Junior. Those are Padatara style. I'm wearing my daughter from Gotian, but let me not preempt. Nokuti doubt iye unodakagara naye pano nhasi ataure nemi muri Zimbabwe. Saka ndiri kuti ngatigarisike kana kusimuka tinyatsomubvunza kuti mukoma Tongai Moyo Junior vanei chauda kutaura nesu muri Zimbabwe. Muzwana nhasi ndiri kuchingamidza mukoma Tongai makadini.
Nakubanga bimotei nakubanga nzambe nangai. Hallelujah. Yofara muri Zimbabwe makadini.
Ndaona chanakidzwa muri Zimbabwe. Ndinoziva kuti kune vakuda kutonyatsoda kuziva. Because kuna Tongai Moyo wataiziva. Muimbi ane mukurumbira. Apa papanzi pana Tongai Moyo Junior. Ine panonzi Junior kazhinji kacho vanoda kuti mwana wacho muningina ndiani. Saka ndoda kuti mumboti paka introduction muchitaura nemuri Zimbabwe kuti ndiani anonzi Tongai Moyo Junior.
Ndotenda. Kwazoi muri Zimbabwe. Zita ndoitwa Tongai Obit Moyo. Ndakaberekwa musi wa4 March 1998 kwekuGeneral Hospital. Baba vari the late Tongai Moyo, mai vari Lucy Mahlatini.
Alright. Saka takuziva kuti kutaura nemwana waTongai Moyo. Masunzwa muri Zimbabwe muimbi akaita mukurumbira. Isi sedu tiri matuke takazongokura tichigonzwa kuti
avasina imwezi samanyemba.
Iyoyo ndinoziva samanyemba nekuti nemumvura mese
ganda remvura
ndiye munhu mumwe chete. Aiwa saka tikufambirana. Saka muzora nhasi toda kumbonyatsokurukura nezvei nekuti muri Zimbabwe ida kunzwa kuti Tongai Moyo anoimbawo anotamba bhora akazochuza ita skimu mukati meupenyu hwake.
Alright, muri Zimbabwe Tongai Moyo Junior muimbi wesungura. Muzuva ranhasi ndauya tizokurukura panyaya yealbum rangu rinonzi Shumba dzemuAfrica rine 6 masongs ratiri kutarisira kuti richabuda 2025 ratakaita paKOM Studios muHarare.
Alright. Toda kunyatsonzwisisa nezvealbum kuti chii chakaita kuti mutange kuda kuimba sungura nekuti kana uri muimbi unogona kuti mukana wekuimba zvimwe.
Ndizvozvo.
Imimi pamati muda kuenda kusungura. Toda kumbonza kuti what inspired you to choose pamazhenero ese pamati muda kuita sungura.
Sungura ndingangoti yakagara iri mandiri kubva baba vachiri vapenyu nekuti nedzimwe nguva dzandaitombovabatsira kubata. Saka zvinhu zvakakura zviri mandiri kusvika ndazokwanisa kuzorekodhawo my first song in 2016. Ndo pandakatangira kurekodha kupinda mustudio asi way before primary kusecondary ndaita hangu sungura. I was a dancer by the time. Yes, ndakatombotamba for a local band remune maikoti mandogara. So zvinhu zvazvisungura was in me all along. So I didn't choose sungura actually. Sungura was already in me tichikura kusvika patiri nhasi.
Alright. I want you to take me through the journey of songwriting.
Yes.
Kunyora masongs.
Yes.
Munonyora mega masong kana kuti kune kwanobva kana muchinyora mega munosvika sei pakufunga song vamainyora.
Back in the days taive nevaimbi vairoteswa music. Even up to now tinavo vaimbi but although it's now rare. Most of the times now you get songs. Songs they come in different ways from artists. Some they come in short pieces. Some they just come as a full song. So in mainly I write what I see on a day-to-day struggle or on a day-to-day survival. So those are like mainly the main points. I'm still young, so I'm a little bit limited on the I have to write for the youth because I'm still a youth.
Yes, I was about to ask you.
Yes, it's Sungura, but it's Sungura for the youth now.
Okay.
So we are trying to gather around the young generation to be able to revive the Sungura music. So I think just in general, those are some of the reasons why we are doing
sungura music. Then ndikunzwa kuti kachirungu kacho kakanyatso kakwenenzverwa. How do you now, because munhu anotaura chirungu chako ichi achizodzoka kusungura yedu iyi, do you think sungura yako yakamixana nechirungu kana kuti it's pure short?
No, what happened is like I'm like my father in many ways. My father was an educated man.
Okay.
He was Cape General Hospital. Same goes for me. I went to school. Fortunately, I passed, but some of the struggles we meet along the way, we end up doing other things rather than focusing on education. So I actually did my primary level at Koko Primary School, then went to Manunura High School, then I relocated to Harare. I went to Manyami in Chivhayo. Then I finished my O-level at Kensington College in Icot. So yeah, at the end of the day, for something to progress, you need a little bit of education. That is why those standards, so education is free. Education is key.
That's a bit of a personal life, which I'm going to get to tackle but album read. So I know it's Vana album, Panishakawanda, how have you been able to finance album rako, one studio, and everything? Take us through the journey of the whole albums, and everything.
Okay, so at KOM Studios, that's where I'm currently recording. It's in Harare. It's owned by Suleiman Chinetu. So what happens is, currently on the album, we are facing a little bit of challenges. If you were to see past, I've been on social media pleading to the nation for assistance, to my late father's friends, and also to the government or to any interested parties to come and assist on this album. Because what happens is, as you have mentioned, never reads. Tine studio in Badaro, tine machandas from Congo, tine almost like a full album can amount to $5,000. Okay. So without the right funding, you will be in a position where I am right now, whereby the project is there, it's done in the studio, but pakungoda mari kuti tipiwe the project. So those are some of the challenges you face as an artist, or we are facing with this album. The album rakapedza kunyorwa is there, magitari akaitwa, but now we are struggling to gather the studio fee now. Because all along we were focused on paying the players. We weren't focused on paying the studio time. So on the player side we are done. We are now focusing on the studio time, which is a little bit expensive. Okay. So right now we are just at a stalemate with the album right now. Without the nation's assistance, we can move forward.
Okay, muri Zimbabwe, mukunzwa kukurukurwa. Tinoda kusvika papati where we're going to be asking vanoda kubatsira, but chiri ipapo as well. Ndakunzwa kuti pane vamakashanda nawo ma-artist pa-album iri. Kana kuti you've been working alone and my backing vocalist in jet?
On this album, I've been working with my backing vocalist alone. We didn't approach any artists for financial reasons. So we are just doing a solo album, me and the band Muchakabvu Express 4x4. It's just us, no collaboration on this one. It's Muchakabvu Express 4x4.
Because you are 4x4 mod.
No, it's
Muchakabvu Express, I know, but the 4x4 part.
You don't know that. Yeah. So the 4x4 part goes with it's a new strategy that we are using on the stage, whereby we have four dancers, to make them 8. So I'm on the mid, so we are forming a 4x4 equation. Okay. Something like that. Something like that. And we are also characterizing it with the band, with the car 4x4. It's power, it's speed, it's everything about the car. We're just imitating it with the band, The band. So it relates also to Mchina Muombe. All right. This is now 4x4. It's a big car. It's a big
okay, Mchina Muombe, then the big car concept.
Yes.
All
so
right, now I understand.
That's where the 4x4 comes in.
All right, wonderful. Saka my dancers up. Pani my females here. It was just all male band anoti makatsvaga mabhebi because
Actually, it's a all male band currently, but with time we are looking to balance the gender equality in Zimbabwe. So sooner or later you'll be seeing female ladies on the front line.
I don't know that one concept kuti mukadzi pamberi
Yes.
anopika mumashure.
Yes.
Don't you think that would work just to get a few of ladies to be shaking around
the stage? That's we like. My motivation comes from the Congolese side,
Okay,
even despite what's happening there, the wars,
yeah.
but still we drive our motivation from Congo. So they put ladies on stage. So at the end of the day, we're going to put ladies on stage.
Okay, I can't wait to see ladies on stage.
See more
I want to
on
see
stage.
more. So exactly.
Yes.
More so. So per album here, obviously, and a song.
Yes.
And a song which we go chinyora, so you know what his song is talking to me.
Yes.
And that was a song Moyo. That in per album, it's either it's resonating with your personal life.
Okay.
Or the challenges that you've been facing in Muchakabvu, the hippie song.
I have one song which goes like it's called Kuwiririrana. This song I'm talking on a 1v1 conversation with God. I'm saying ndivhurei maziso angu ndione. What I'm saying is I need spiritual eyes, not just mental eyes. I can see already, but I need spiritual eyes to be able to see what's transpiring in my life. Kana mufura in pan, kana mushanya in the pan. You see now, you're telling God, no, I've seen all the troubles, I've seen the struggle, but just spend some time when you are walking around, just pass by my house. Yes, so it's just a nation's prayer to anyone who can be able to sample this song. And then the name of the album, Shumba Zem Africa. Shumba Zem Africa, what we are talking about, it's a two concept theory. Number one, it's Shumba Zem Africa, we're talking about the guitarists, the players that have contributed to the album. These are the lions I'm talking about.
Okay.
Because at the end of the day, what happens is when artists put this album, people they tend to praise the artist. They don't praise the guitarist. They don't praise the producer.
Exactly, yeah.
So on this album, I'm just praising the band, praising everyone. Then another concept, Shumba Zem Africa. Africa is a jungle. It's a struggle on a day-to-day. So everyone who is surviving in Africa is a lion in the jungle. So it touches to everyone also who lives in Africa.
Often a time, the lead or the owner of the band. What made you say, I want to appreciate this guys?
What makes you appreciate the guys is the levels they take you. The praise you get after you've done a good job with the guys. Sometimes if you accommodate more of that praise, at the end of the day you see yourself as a god, as above everyone. So you need to share the glory. So who can you share the glory with? You can share the glory with the people who are seeing with you doing the things. So that is what I'm trying. It's like it's a football team. I'm the coach. These are the players. They need to be rewarded.
If there's anything that you have said that have touched my heart, it's this part. Because often in time, we don't know
even up to now, you see this concept of one out of the sleeves. You would see lead guitar by drums by.
Exactly.
But nowadays, it's removed. It's no longer that information is no longer there. They are just putting promoter ningi artist number akanga mwagari guitar whilst munhu anenge atatora nguva pari number wake pepa he doesn't get spare time anga chiridza chipractice that song yoroita naye. So you need to give credit.
Okay, so inini munenge muchimba album?
Yes.
Kuridza kunoridza instrument?
Actually I've been playing with the rhythm guitar.
Okay.
That's the one my father started with. He started with the rhythm, then he switched to the lead guitar. But me myself, I'm starting with the rhythm because I love the rhythms a lot.
Okay. Yes. I want to migrate a little bit, going into the life.
Okay.
If you allow me, into your personal.
Okay, we can
into your personal life, because I've been hearing more of my father.
My father.
My father.
Yes.
Okay. I want to understand the relationship that you had with your father.
Okay.
Kuti, how he shaped you to be who you are today, and for you to, because why gonna choose on Tamabora?
You could choose
and your red I could see you could have choose something else, because you are very like sharp, smart.
Yes.
So I want to understand the relationship with your father.
Okay. The relationship with my father was okay, but fathers get strict with you.
Okay.
The same way he was strict with my brother Peter. Was the same way he was strict with me, but with Peter he was a little bit stricter because he was older.
Okay.
So he shaped us to be who we are today, because yes, we liked soccer. He would buy us shooters to play soccer, but at the end of the day, he would tell you, after Watamba soccer, just give yourself just like 10 minutes a day, you battle guitar. So you could feel like, yes, he wanted us to try venturing into other sports. Sometimes you would ask us, what do you want to do when you grow up? Me, like, I always wanted to be a soldier, then I shifted to wanting to be a lawyer.
Okay. From
So,
a soldier to a lawyer.
So those were my replies most of the time. But you would see that, yes, he supported them, but he didn't actually support them. He supported music, because even in school, he would come and register you to be in the school choir without you knowing. Then you GA your name. You are in the school choir. He did it with my brother. He did it with my sister. I have a sister named Nyasha. She also did marimba, the cultural dances and stuff. It was because of him. So even up to my little brother Tanak, is in Kweku. He's also a songwriter. We were forged in that way, whereby we believe the only way to bring bread to the table is through songwriter music. It's through music. Yes.
All right.
Yes.
I'm hearing Tanaka, Nyasha, my brother Peter. Yes. Same father, same mother.
Actually, it's same father but different mothers. There's my brother Peter, and followed by my second, my sister named Nyasha, another sister named Tendai. Then there's me in Tanaka, my young brother, Nyasha, Nicole, Natasha. These are my young sisters, so we are 7.
You're 7?
Yes.
But different mothers?
Different mothers, yes. We have 2 with same mother.
Okay.
Tanaka and Nicole.
Okay. We've talked about dates. You want to talk about Mama?
Yes.
Music is was my mind, no.
Yeah, those are the least to accept.
Can I tell you a story a little bit?
Yes.
I met a lady yesterday, and this lady, you know what I did?
Right.
And I was like, you should let her. And I saw I saw good. She really wants me to manage her. So even with myself, if I have to tell you, it took long for my mom to understand that I loved music more than school. So I want to understand, because when I'm mind to it's okay.
Even me, like, it's the same issue with my mother. She supports here and there, like the type of support I'm talking about is just a motherly support, not that one that goes out of reach when it comes to music.
Okay.
She feels like there's a bit side to it. I don't know, maybe it's the way she was with my father. I don't know by the time I wasn't born. But what I know is she isn't that much supportive. She has the reasons, ones that I can relate to, and ones that I have fallen victim to. So she has the reasons. She has the right
I want
to
to
say
know the reason
that
you have fallen.
No,
are there any women involved?
No, not women involved. Like friends, meeting wrong friends, going at wrong places. When she wants you home, So but she just tells you, she just prays for me. That's what I know. She prays for my career. She wishes me luck, but she doesn't go all the way out. She has her limits.
Okay.
And I think some of the reasons are I'm to blame. And some of the reasons.
Because all sides of the
yes, you don't come back on time. You start making excuses. So I just gave a bad picture, but it's fine.
You need to promise her that you're going to work hard.
Yeah, I do. Actually, what I do is, concept. So I just take care of it, to just let her know that no, it's not as bad as she thinks.
Okay. now we want to talk about your brother is in the scene, in the industry, in the music industry.
Yes, yes.
And you, let's just be honest, maybe there could be a few people that know about you.
Yes.
So I want to understand with your brother. Now, would expect to see you holding each other hands and
smiling and stuff.
yeah, exactly. Seeing the Moyo brothers, it will be a very nice view to see. But I want to understand, how's the relationship? Because I know when the father passes away, the legacy. So as brothers, how have you managed to keep on holding on the legacy, Baba, and to make sure with legacy you remain and your relationship?
Actually, I would like to say the legacy is being kept alive. The legacy is growing nicely, and because of him, he contributed. I have to give him thumbs up there. Since the passing of our father, and since by the time I also entered into the music industry, he was relevant in the music. He was still dominating in the music. So I would give him 10 out of 10 for implementing on our father's everything. But so what happens is there are a few setbacks or a few challenges that we might be facing with each other, where we have people who try to come in between, passing information that side and passing information this side. So yes, so blood is thicker than water, yes, but when there comes someone who you trust both, or you say you trust, or who you think is loyal to both of you, starts crisscrossing information, bad information, there will always be words, and afterwards there will be actions. So I think that's what is actually currently happening right now, because we talk on the phone, but you can still feel that I'm not getting enough assistance from him I should be getting. I won't complain, and I'm not complaining. I have my own challenges also. I have my own weaknesses also. He has his own weaknesses and his own strength also. But still, the issue of gossiping now, it creates waves. After kupihwa motokari say weekend Chivhayo, waves started. So something like that didn't go away with him. That in some ways that didn't go away with me. So I don't know if he said them. I don't know if some of the ways if I said them, when people start putting words in your mouth, it's kids. So the relationship is fine on one side, but on business side, I can't really say it's fine.
It's not fine. It's not helping you, in other words.
Yeah, actually, I won't lie.
Okay.
Yes.
You feel like he's not giving you the hand as a big brother?
Yeah, it's something like, I think it's his way of trying to groom me to become a man, but at the end of the day, you all need a family relative.
Yes.
Paduzi.
Exactly. You feel you need your brother?
I feel I need my brother. Yeah. That's how I feel. I feel I need my brother. I feel I need more of my brother.
Exactly.
So I think bit by bit we'll get there one day.
Okay, that was becoming a bit emotional. But let me try to bring you back into laughing.
Just try to just visualize it.
Yeah, no, I understand that. It happens, that's life. But I'm sure if you could be able to watch this, you'd see how you're pouring your heart, how much you want him.
I want to empty everything
on him.
Yes.
If I get a chance, I'll call him and tell him, you need to talk to your brother.
We can do so.
Sit down so that the legacy goes on.
Goes on forever.
Okay, achongobva, that was a bit of your personal life. So you married or?
Actually, I'm not yet married, but I have a fiance when I'm dating.
Okay.
In the music industry, you need someone by your side always.
Ladies is taken. Yeah. Is not available,
yeah,
right? I'm
trying to build a small family.
Okay. So how have you been managing it? I know women in women and in music industry.
Yeah,
we 10,000. So just tell us how have you managed to sustain yourself in the industry, especially my gender. Yes. Come hard on you.
I think the whole concept is based on religion.
Okay.
Yes. You need to be religion if you are you need to be a religious person if you are a public figure or if you are a celebrity. You need to be religious. Why? The religion principles, they guide you into becoming, they mold you into becoming who you are.
Exactly.
I'll give you an example of an artist I once worked with, Tatenda Pinjis. Tatenda Pinjis is at his church, where he attends at his church. I think he's an intercessor or something like that. You would find him after show, he gets in his car, gets home, gets back home. So it's different from my principle, although. My principle is when you go to show, it's a day, it's only for a day. Remember, you don't lose your day. You don't lose your future because of one day. Okay? You need to prepare yourself, get yourself a meal, just like any normal day. Get yourself, not that to have that over excitement whereby you feel like your stomach is empty. You can go and you want to have fun. No, that's not it. It's a one day process. You feed yourself, you bath, you go to your show. Mainly me, when I'm going to show, I take 2 or 3 of my brothers. There will be my security, there will be my family there. So what we do is I arrive at a show, I'm at the VIP, I'm with my guys, we're doing what we're doing. Then the show starts, I go on the stage. I just do my thing. Ladies want selfies, we get taken selfies.
That's the part.
Then after we are done,
yes,
you don't need to have a phone by that time when you're doing that. Because if someone refuse your phone, then can I have your phone number? You start saying what. So I'm trying to just teach to a normal musician. We're struggling with the peer pressure of a show. You don't need to face the peer pressure of a show. You need to be stable. And also, do you know many artists die on stage? Do you know why they die on stage? That peer pressure, that excitement, they also go on to take drugs. You have taken drugs, then you are having peer pressure of a show. You might faint on stage. You know that? It kills. That the cheering of the fans, that one. It gets you high there, and then you are drunk with drugs or with whatever. You can fall on stage and die. So many people don't know this trick.
Okay.
When you're going on stage, it's a normal day for you. Drink yourself, whatever you feel like does for you. Jump on the stage. You act. After you do your act, just go home. Just take your mafia. You go home. Let your manager do the paperwork. Let your manager handle the cases. Just go home, sleep, wake up in a normal day. Don't peer pressure.
And you can't resist because
yes, you can't resist, but you have ways
exactly
of dealing with them.
Exactly.
You know, I have experience dealing with people because why? My father will discuss these things after coming home on weekends.
Right. Yes.
I have done this. Did you see this? You know, he has even songs he composed out of such scenarios. One song it's mates that day. If you know Tongai Moyo song, you know the mates. Right. That song was composed because I'm not sure when guys and then they went to no ladies free. Then showed the Bayazar. But I missed that there was nobody. You know, so he told us these experiences of what kills is the peer pressure.
Right.
Before show, the peer pressure is too much because everyone is praising you. Go and kill them, go and do this on stage. Everyone is just, so you end up like killing your career because of one day.
Okay.
Yes, don't kill your career because of one day.
Don't kill your career because of one day.
Yeah. It will be in the past one of the days. Me, I've done a lot of shows in rural areas, in town, in galas, I also played Zanup rallies in Kwekwe. I played a lot of those. There will be thousands of people. So if you are not well prepared, you can faint or die on the stage because of that pressure. Yes.
So titles of my origins are they quick.
Yes.
What made you want to come to the capital city?
Currently, things are acting as if Harare is centralized. You know, everything happens in Harare. The studios are in Harare. The shows are in Harare, the links to get to galas there in Harare. So I just think all in all, capital city just still remains the best.
Okay, that's wonderful. Coming back to your music journey.
Yes.
Saka ndiani muimbi waunoti uyu ndinofanira kumbonyatsoshare stage naye ari pamoyo pako?
My favorite musician, or should I say someone who motivates me a lot, I think the past 2 days I attended one of his shows and I staged with him, is Father Alec Macheso.
Okay.
Alec Macheso, yes, many people might say there was a rivalry between Alec Macheso and Chivhayo, but what I know is that they had a good relationship with my father.
Okay.
Yes, vaishanda zvakanaka. It's some time ndichivhurira ndaradewa the late Tongai mwachiri wapenyu chavhurira gate. I still remember he was playing song yamundira Macheso inonzi Tafadza Wanyarara. I think the song by the time yanga started tombobuda, he was just sampling. So meaning what he was trusted to the extent of poor music isati yabuda.
All right.
Yes, I felt Tafadza and ndakatoitira Tafadza isati yabuda through my father.
Okay.
So meaning if you trust each other to that extent, you are friends. You are more than friends.
So, Mama, before to know, just a public stance.
It's just trying to make it look nice. And also with Father Alec Macheso, actually, with 2 days, I'm saying I attended one of his shows, and I asked him, I pleaded with him to take me into his arms, into his wing, to show me the way, straighten me up in the music industry, because he's the only forefather we have in the music industry in terms of Sungura, So I think learning from the best will assist me. Very soon we are going to visit him at his house in Waterfalls. He invited me, so I think I'm going to be going there. To sing.
The father. You have to say father.
I need to say father, because
he's your father. No, I really like the fact that you're getting support from hands like that. And I think we have spoken about a lot of things. I wanted to stand more on the album part.
Okay.
Kuti saka album iri. For now, charimisa chi. Because my finances, is it only finances or?
Actually, my songs, I would like to say, my songs, I'm a good writer, songwriter. I have more than 50 to 20 songs that I know. But the finance part now is the one which is putting things that have stalemated. And we have my smaller groups. But desperate times, as I always say, desperate times calls for desperate measures.
Exactly.
We need this assistance for us to be able to be there, for us to be functioning so that we can be able to uplift others also. Exactly. So it's necessary for us to be able to come to the public and appeal for help. Yes, so far we have 7 tracks. We have 6 tracks, and then there's a bonus track. It's called Rombo. So we are just working on that song. Yes.
Is it because of what I done with your brother or?
No, this one I won't share much information.
Much of that one. Okay.
It's the one which is anticipated by people.
Yeah, anticipated.
Yeah.
So I'm going to tell you and then getting feedback.
With piracy and stuff, I have to make sure it's in my phone, it's locked, it's in the private files, Because right nowadays, you never know. Madam, song, I'll group you see now, so those some of the things. Because my album, my last album, I fell victim to piracy.
Okay.
After it was uploaded, it's under release. So we were forced to.
How was it?
It was okay. It was nominated for it got nominated for the Zima Awards, and also it was nominated number 10 on the top 50. The Paraguay.
Right.
But on the weekly, I did well. Number 2.
All right. So in case there are people who are now in zone. Difference chikana about
The
Chivhayo. Timbos why not takamira na kuenda.
Yes, album is album Mbinga. Yes, it has 6 tracks.
Okay. On YouTube is it there?
YouTube is there. It's Chivhayo Junior Official.
Chivhayo Junior Official.
With all our social media channels.
All right. So they can access that one.
You can access that one. There and other singles there. They're also there.
They're also there.
Yes.
All right, Tongai, it was very, very exciting interview. I don't know if there's anything that you want to tell me or tell Murezi.
Something that yeah. I think it's best if I give shout outs to people who have been assisting, Exactly. They've been assisting, they've been there with us since the struggle. They've been there with us, giving us ideas. The first person I would like to thank the most is the one who offered us this venue. Is my district chairman and also is my boss, Innocent Chikore, boss Changara. He assists us a lot, not just me, but as the community. We have Isa Mfumi, he has reached out. We have Joe Promotions, we have Kosi Rose, we have Boss Msia in Netfield, Boss Kumbo in the UK. These are people who have been with us, assisting us, and I felt my appreciation to them because for us to be where we are with the album, they've contributed a lot. Okay. A lot. So I'd just like to pour out my heart for them.
If there's anything that I would give your parents, is tender. Because I could see even in the whole interview, you're just saying thank you, which is beautiful. Wish you all the best.
My mother, Miss Magosongo.
Yeah. All right. Fiance.
Fiance, you just say amen. Mamumba.
All right.
Now, we are living a first life, so anything can happen. So. Valentine is there. Valentine. This year it was supposed to be the male.
There's nothing called Valentine's. You have to spoil your lady.
Yeah, we check this almost Maruba, a little bit of pain.
Right. It's beautiful. Thank you so much for allowing us to talk to you and change word Jemiako and the struggles that you've mentioned that you're facing and the assistance that you're calling out. Zimbabwe. And just to, I'm actually happy I got to meet.
Me too. I got
to meet Junior, Tongai Moyo Junior.
I got to meet you also.
Okay, that's wonderful. I'm Zimbabwe and DA Watangati Naipano, Tongai Moyo Junior, the son of the late legendary music legend Tongai Moyo is the son to the late Tongai Moyo. So Agashtaronesa Chipoku Morondo of his music journey is also into the music industry and he's calling out the album is there, right? Finances and he also said Mbinga. It's also on social. Maybe you can just say it again.
Mbinga. It's Mbinga album Mbinga. Our social media is Tongai Moyo Junior Official. Then eco-cash number is always in right now. It's 0773 640 632. 0773 640 632. Thank you very much.
Okay, so yeah, to get hold of him. Also, we're going to assist in this good album, Ribude and Nongombata Pataura Ipapo. So thank you so much, Zimbabwe, for watching this program. Until we meet next time, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Tunakuona mu comment section, muchindi pama reviews Mbinga album. Shona zveshwacho ngomona zvari kutaura kuti akatvimbisa pane album ndizvo. Saka let's all go and support and let's go and listen to the Mbinga album. Takamirira in album kuti ribude. Thank you so much. Ndiri wenyu Sokasti.